Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I have three winter vignette stylings for you, so come on with me guys. Now here we're going to start out with something a little bit simple. This tray I did get at the Dollar Tree, this one right here, and I'm liking the shape. And we're going to go very simple on these three vignettes. So most of the items that I'm using to create these vignettes did come from the Dollar Tree. Now this greenery I did purchase, I believe I purchased this at Dollar Tree in the plus section probably a year or two ago. Now, of course, I want to add a polar bear, and I definitely want to add one of those acrylic deer. And we just add a light to it, and we are looking beautiful, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Cozy Corner or Vignette, and this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We do have a theme today and it is winter. Let me tell you who our beautiful co-hosts are. We have Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, we have Debbie Bubbles, May's Design Corner, Secondhand Tracy Ann, Decorating with Jazzy Green, and Dream with Caroline. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. Always click the like button, guys. Leave a beautiful comment. Subscribe to the channels if you're not subscribed already. You won't be disappointed, guys. Now, remember also to run the playlist. Watch everyone's video in that playlist, guys, from beginning to end, because this helps our watch time. Now, moving on to the next one. So this one here, I purchased this. It was only one left at the Dollar Tree's Plus section, and it is a gorgeous tray. Look at this. I love the details in it, and I was shocked that it was the only one left, and I had never seen this before, and I believe this one was still $5 before the prices went up. Now this is a beautiful candle holder that I DIY'd, and I thought this would be perfect in the center of this. So I'm gonna use a tea light inside of here because I don't have a candle to put in here, and the tea light works just fine. So I added a flock tree from the Dollar Tree and one of my crosses. And then we just add a candle and voila, we're heading over to the reveal. So I did add this beautiful burlap bow, and now we're heading over to the reveal. All right, so now moving on to the next one. I absolutely love this tray I'm getting ready to show you. It is gorgeous, and I did thrift it, guys, so this was a great find. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. So I think that this vase that I created came out absolutely gorgeous, guys. I love that fur. I put some bling around the top, and then I put that greenery in there. So we're starting out with these colors seem to always call my attention during the winter. And then we have these white roses. I got this at the Dollar Tree, and it does say Happy Valentine's Day, which, by the way, they have them again in the white, the pink, and the red. So we're starting out with that, and then we're going to go ahead and get a candle, guys, and light this, and I think this is probably the most glam of all three. All right, so I think that came out beautiful. As I said, let's head on over to the reveal. So here we are. And as I said, I think all three of these are very beautiful for winter vignettes. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.